Hello everyone, I'm Beyza and here we are today with Fate Engineering. We're going to be talking about who is Fate Engineering and their story, manufacturing strength, and their future vision and their missions, and how they define themselves as a factory. Let's start with our first question. Can you tell us about the story behind Fate Engineering? How was Fate Engineering founded?
Sure. Fate Engineering was founded on a strong engineering infrastructure, bringing together 25 years of knowledge and expertise in its area. It launched its operations in Ankara in 2024 with the core purpose of transforming a quarter century of accumulated expertise on ground mechanics into advanced engineering solutions. We started our operations with the vision of becoming the preferred choice for investors in industrial projects, mainly tunneling, mining, and structural steel, by offering constructive and solution-oriented approaches. With our new investments in strategically important hub region, which means Ankara Aerospace and Aviation Specialized Organized Industrial Zone located in Kahramanmaraş, Ankara, we also aim to play a vital role in defense industry. Currently, we carry out our manufacturing operations across 8 modern facilities spanning over 38,000 meters square of indoor and 30,000 meters square of outdoor space. With our team of 4,400 expert personnel and a monthly steel processing capacity of 3,000 tons, we serve both to domestic and international clients. Currently, we export to 30 countries, primarily located in Europe and Balkan regions. We have our office in Georgia and agent in Italy, along with stockyards and partners across multiple continents worldwide.
Thank you so much for your very explanatory answer. I think this sums up the story behind Fate Engineering. But I have another question. Can you tell us more about the industries that you operate in today? Which industries do we operate in today as Fate Engineering?
In 4 sectors, we can sum up our operations. For tunneling, we manufacture drilling and ground support products for subway, highway, and mining tunnels. For underground mining, we make drilling and ground support products similarly. For civil infrastructure, structural steel fabrication and on-site installation for dams, bridges, factories, warehouses, and industrial facilities are within our scope. For renewable and industrial energy, structurally welded and machined steel fabrication for energy plants, alongside material procurement for infrastructure projects needs. We offer project-based turnkey construction solutions covering all stages of engineering and design, production planning, delivery, installation, and quality control requirements. In addition to manufacturing of machinery equipped with hydraulic, pneumatic, and electric components for the aforementioned fields, our company produces steel structures, all drilling products, bits, drill rods, shank and shank adapters, and ground support materials. Let me give details about it. It means self-drilling anchor bars and accessories, anchors, plates, nuts, coupler bits, frog bolts and accessories, bolts, plates, nuts, lattice girders, profile arches, umbrella arch systems. It consists of perforated grouting pipes, ring bits, pilot bits, and split sets made up of friction bolts and base plates.
And I understand that you manufacture and you provide services for a lot of different areas in the industry. And of course, you are one of the best in the sector. Can you tell us more about the differences between you and your competitors? Like what engineering capabilities differentiate you as Fate Engineering from your competitors?
Sure. We can say our greatest strength is that functioning as a complete tunnel market. We manufacture all ground support and steel structures entirely in-house. Thanks to our powerful machinery part, we make process like machining, steel forging, laser and plasma cutting, and seamless steel pipe production, as well as the heat treatment of metallurgical materials, all performed by our expert teams. Having the entire process monitored and controlled by the same unified team plays a massive role in our ensuring production continuity. Furthermore, our company is amongst a selected few globally and is the only company in Turkey successfully qualified for the European Technical Assessment Certification for sectoral anchor bars and its accessories. Our precision and meticulous tracking during the production and quality control stages played a major role in achieving this milestone. Our field teams also regularly report on drilling operations across various geological terrains, ensuring continuous product innovation and high customer satisfaction. Additionally, within the scope of university industry cooperation, we actively continue our advanced technological R&D and P&D activities in coordination with TÜBİTAK.
Can you tell us more about the markets that you serve? Which markets do you serve specifically?
Sure. While we are the largest supplier for Turkey's mega infrastructure and superstructure projects, such as the Northern Marmara Highway, Akkuyu nuclear power plant, and the Yusufeli water dam, we also manufacture and ship to numerous international markets, particularly in Europe and Balkan regions. Recently, our export to Western Europe have gained significant momentum. The Balkans, on the other hand, stands out as a region where we have held a dominant market presence for years.
Let's move on with the topic of our vision. Where do you see Fate Engineering in the future? What is the vision for Fate Engineering for future growth?
Yeah, maybe this is the best question I would like to answer. Since our inception, our goal has been to become a globally branded company in both domestic and international markets. By prioritizing investment from the day one, we have successfully scaled up to a capacity of manufacturing every single product within our own facilities, and we continue in this momentum. In this context, we are successfully executing our strategy to deliver our wide product portfolio to countries all over the world. The investments we make into our machinery park, expert personnel, and international certifications are growing stronger day by day. Moreover, we are proud to announce that as the second half of 2026, we have started our hot-rolled seamless steel pipeline production, which has a daily production capacity of 100 tons. Looking ahead to 2027, our feasibility studies to guide manufacturing for the needs of our defense industry still continue. This decision will shape the fate of our 14,000 meters square establishment at strategically important hub region in Ankara. That's all for now, Fate Company's introduction. We will continue to make new announcements soon. Please stay with us. Thank you for giving me this precious opportunity.
And I thank you for your dear participation. You explained very well about the vision and the story behind Fate Engineering. And I believe when this visionary perspective to the future combined with your manufacturing strength will provide very well processes and services for the whole world, whomever may need your services. And as you said, thank you and stay in touch, follow our accounts, and you can reach us from the information mailing addresses and our website, the ones that you see below. And if you subscribe, you will see the new videos upcoming from Fate Engineering. Thank you. See you in the next video.
Thank you. Bye-bye.